Hi guys, welcome back. My name's Neil, also known as Demi-Geek, and this is my furry friend Teddy. Say hello, Teddy. I think that's the best you're going to get out of him today. So yeah, this is another DCA day. I'm sorry it's a bit later than normal. I'll be honest with you, I don't think a lot of people watch these videos, so I was in two right minds whether or not to carry it on. But then I thought, you know what, Neil, just don't give in. At the end of the day, sometime along the line, someone could go searching around YouTube, and then they could decide to look for the videos and think, oh, I might watch that, and then actually learn something. But for those who do watch it, then again, I don't want to take that away from you. So just a quick recap. So what I do every month, I take £100 of virtual money and I put it into various cryptos every month going forward, and that shows you guys that DCA is the way forward, and it's the right way to do things if you decide to invest. However, well, as I said always, I'm purely for entertainment purposes. This is by no means any financial advice, so right, let's carry on. So this is our portfolio so far. So as you can see, we're still 25.25% performance is doing well. We're still 251.14 in profit, even though the market's had like quite a hell of a downturn the last week or so, which in my own mind it would have been a really good time to do this DCA, but I didn't, so I'm kind of jumping in later than I should have done because I would have caught the bottom a little bit better. However, at the end of the day, it's still DCA, so it's irrelevant, and again, it'll prove to you guys that it doesn't matter. You don't have to time the market just to make a profit, because over time, you will do anyway. It's totally irrelevant whether it's up, down, left, right, or centre. Okay, so anyway, right, so got £100 of virtual money, and this is our thing to whoever. So let's have a quick look at the charts. Okay, so this is the Bitcoin chart. I'll just reset the chart view. Right, okay. So as you can see at the moment, Bitcoin's moving sideways. Doesn't know whether it's going to go up or down. I must admit, where it says took profit here, I did do a degen long on the thingy, 20 times long, and I took profit at this point. So if I was to do it again, and again I don't recommend you play with leverage, it's purely for fun, then I probably, again, it's a good time to get in because it's lower than when I took the profit. But forget all that, that's irrelevant. So let's have a quick look at the MENA chart. I by no means a chart expert, so again, don't believe anything I say. All I know is the basic technicals. All I know is that if the basic thing, if this blue line is above that orange line on whatever time frame, then it's kind of like a bullish sentiment. If it's below it, it's a bearish sentiment. Again, these are my support and resistance lines. You'll probably find that a lot of people trade between these two lines, the green and the red, the green and the red, and then all of a sudden it'll break out. Different time frames, people trade on different lines, like say for example that's the 5 minute. So if you go to the 15 minute, you'll see that the next resistance is down here on thingy. So, but the best thing to look at it is if you go to the Bitcoin chart, you can see where it's like up and down there, you know what I mean. So this is technically the next support level, so this is where you'd expect it to bounce off if it was to bleed down, but it doesn't always happen. So like I said, you can't predict the future. If we could, we'd all be millionaires and it'd be great. But yeah. So anyway, looking at the market, we need to have a good look at the actual full-on thingy to see what's up and down, really, I suppose. So let's see over the past 24 hours. That's just rubbish stuff. That I've lost the plot now. Let's go by market cap again. Have a look. Now, Ethereum ETFs are coming out next week apparently. The Bitcoin conference is next week. Donald Trump is supposed to be talking in it, and he's supposed to, well, there's a rumour going around that he's going to make Bitcoin as a reserve currency. I personally can't see that happening, but I'm pretty sure he's going to say some good things about it, so it might have positive sentiment and it may increase the market. So Bitcoin would be a good idea, but also Ethereum ETF would be a good idea because they're guaranteed maybe not to rise straight away, but in the next couple of weeks afterwards, just like the Bitcoin ETFs, then the chances are Ethereum's going to do well. But historically, August, September is going to be a good time anyway. So market sentiment wise, I think, well, I only know what I hear. It could possibly start like going up a lot more than what it has been now. So because of that, I think I'm going to put £50 into Ethereum and £50 into Bitcoin. So okay, so let's go back to our DCA portfolio. So first things first, I need to see what £50 of Bitcoin buys me. So £50, so I get 0.001 Bitcoin. So we'll take that. We'll go to portfolio. Add a new transaction, deposit, Bitcoin, BTC. There we go, enter quantity. That's what we've got there. Okay, so that's done. So now that's been added to our list, as you can see down here, which is great. So now we need to find out what £50 worth of Mina is. Let me just put Teddy down. Say bye to everyone. Bye everyone. Little wiggly pants. He really is. Okay, so yeah, right. So Ethereum. Let's see what £50 buys us for Ethereum. Hopefully a lot more than what it did for Bitcoin, which it will do. So we can get 0.0185 Ethereum. Let's copy that. Okay, so let's go back to our portfolio. New transaction. Deposit. ETH. Amount. Done. Now I don't think we've added Ethereum before, have we? So that's new to the list. Right, okay, cool. So yeah, we've added Ethereum, we've added Bitcoin. As I said, possibly be a really bullish week next week, but we'll see. So thanks again for watching, for those who do. For those who don't, then when you do get around to watching it, thank you very much. Don't forget to do the usuals like and subscribe and all that shebang. And I'll see you on my next DCA video, or I might even do a bonus video about Mina apps. I'm not decided yet. So, but for now, enjoy the rest of your day, evening, morning, wherever you may be. Take care. Peace.